old trees in front of it. That's pretty cool. Looks nice with the sun setting behind it. Oh. Oh, I was gonna say it's pretty hard packed right till there. And I went whoop, right into the snow. Yeah. Yellow. It's the old TV antenna. There's an old GT snow racer over there. There in the snow. Man, is it still in good shape? Oh, she's frozen right on the ground. I can't pull her out, but that's what that is. GT snow racer. Backside, right? You can always tell which side's the weather side. It's more, the paint's more faded and worn out on it. Well ahead there, cat. Pretty stable. The floor's a little buckled, which is not too bad. I like the setup. The
yeah, look at this piece.
yeah. Oh wow, that's really nice. Yeah.
A chandelier in there.
Yeah, look at the wood too up there, like the beam. Yeah.
See
That's
the neat
very,
looking chandelier they got?
very nice. Yeah. 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 It's cold here. It got colder, I think. Yeah.
Well, this place has no door.
Yeah.
It has nothing.
Yeah.
To heat in.
Yeah. Yeah. This is a really nice one. Not much in her, but like the
Well,
just the look of it.
Kind of
Yeah.
neat. It's like
Yeah.
all
Oh yeah, yeah.
what do you call that?
Stucco, like, or like it looks, actually it looks like it's brick with
Brick.
a bit
That's what
yeah,
I'm thinking of.
brick with stucco
I was
on
trying
it.
to think
Yeah.
of the word brick.
Oh yeah, it's like a little alcove there. That might have been they might have had a little oven or something in there, like a cooking oven. Yeah, I'll come back to that. We'll go around and go around. So just walk very slow because the
I'm watching
floor
you go first.
the floor is kind of
I might let you go first.
yeah. Yeah, that's a big old chandelier, eh? The little mud dauber house, birdhouse there, right up on the ceiling on the beam. Yeah. Yeah. Very 70s rug. That green, that lime green. Yeah.
Yeah, they had to have had a stove.
Yeah, I was wondering if it was like an oven, like
Yeah,
for
like
making bread and stuff, like a baking oven. Yeah. What's this here? Razor Ramon, WWF.
There's nothing over here. I thought this was like a stairwell.
Main entrance. Yeah, yeah. It may have had a stairwell there. Maybe they partitioned it off. Yeah.
Well, I
Yeah,
figured it would
vents.
have been here.
Yeah.
But it's the other side of the...
Of the oven thing. Yeah.
Well, no power.
Yeah. Yeah. I know they.
I don't know. The roof is kind of sinking in.
A little bit. Oh, that's just the drop ceiling tiles. Yeah, the wood. These beams are really strong. Yeah, I know. You'd be safe to walk on that. The beams are good. It's just the boards, the runners going across. You'd have to watch right here. They look pretty good. Yeah, doesn't look like it's too bad. But yeah, I like that. Let's just back up here and get a shot of that little spot right there. You can stay in the shot. It's okay. That's cool. I like that. Probably be the main living area. Eh? Like a guest would come in, walk in, and see that. And, yeah. Yeah. A little partition. Yeah. The paneling actually doesn't look too bad though in it. Like some houses, you see the paneling, the wood paneling, and it's kind of like looks cheap. And in this house, it kind of does it justice. It doesn't look bad. Like it. Yeah. slow here. It's pretty solid feeling though. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at the crack in the. Yeah.
Right up the
I don't
side.
know if that was originally a doorway and they changed it into a like a little oven area or what.
Maybe.
Yeah. It's kind of interesting. Yeah.
It's like a wood.
Yeah. It's a wood.
Yeah.
Really?
It's wood.
I don't know. That feels like brick there. Yeah. This
because
part
you
maybe.
can see how thin it
Yeah.
is. It's
Yeah.
not-
Yeah.
it's not
That's
brick.
definitely wood. Yeah. This here though is brick though. That's maybe the outside of the original house. Maybe.
Oh, that might
yeah.
be brick,
Yeah. That might be
actually.
the original outside of the house. Maybe it was like an entranceway or something. Yeah. But you'd almost think they had like a little with the fan and that, like they had a little baking oven or something in there to. Yeah. Which way? Go this way, I guess, or maybe go this way. It's pretty big there in the back part. Guy really liked wrestling whoever lived in it. Like all the light fixtures have like a wrestler sticker on them. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's upstairs. So we'll come back to that. Do downstairs first. That's the upstairs there. The kitchen, I guess. I just hope my camera doesn't fail. It's pretty cold. Yeah.
Why did your camera fail?
Oh, the batteries, the cold would be pretty hard on them. Yeah. Cupboard. A lot of spider webs. You definitely wouldn't want to be here in the summertime, dude. Your favorite little friends, you'd have a little. Yeah. Not a big kitchen, decent sized. Yeah. Decent sized kitchen. It's weird how this one hasn't had as many animals in it, but the other one was just chock full, and like this one's been abandoned probably just as long, maybe. At least the 90s. Hood range would probably have been a stove there. You can see the grease on the wall. What do we got here for a date? 2001 for a date on the newspaper. Yeah. Laundry room back there? Laundry room?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll check that out. I know, just check the cupboards were bare. No one home but the spiders. Oh, it's got a little bit of I like the countertop. It's kind of nice little counter. Yeah. Little wooden dolly. Cupboard space looks like it's just a storage space in here. Let's see a flash out here. The old flash. Oh, we'll try this one. What's that? It looks like the roof's kind of coming down. I'm part of it. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna do all the ground level here first before I go upstairs. Yeah, it's a little. Almost looks like you could like kind of cook or something in here, like a little walk-in closet, cooking closet. Yeah. Back of that chimney there. There's the other pipe. Weird setup. So yeah, I think they altered this house from its original, how it originally was. Yeah. A little bit of name on the wall there. Oh, a little treacherous. There's the basement. We might be actually able to do the basement. There's some cement steps. Those are stone. Kid shoes. Laundry room. Yeah, the laundry room. Careful. I can hear the boards moving down here. Yeah, be careful. I can hear the boards moving down here. Yeah, the laundry room. pretty destroyed back here. Yeah.
Yeah. You can make it to the top of the stairs.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll check it out. Yeah.
But there's like a whole bunch of boards and stuff in the ceiling on the floor that are
All nails.
sticking out.
Yeah, I could hear you coming down the stairs, so I could tell the floorboards were loose. I'm like, ooh.
Well, they're actually not that bad.
Yeah.
It's just the one was a little came back down.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah, you gotta watch.
fourth one down.
A lot of nails here. The shag, green shag cut. Ooh, yeah, wow. Yeah, she's really collapsed up here, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I won't be able to go in that area. Floor's gone. Pile of snow there. Yeah. It looks to me like that would have been maybe a bedroom over there in the back, and yeah. I bet you this is not the original part of the house, the back part.
Oh, no,
This would be an add-on, yeah, and you can see how cheaply built they like just decays away so fast. You can certainly tell the difference from like the original build. Yeah. I don't know if I can go across here or not. There's been a huge bee's nest in the wall here. Yeah, that's massive. Yeah.
That's probably what our house looks like.
Maybe, yeah, where the bees are coming in. I can walk. The ceilings are low. I'm like only 5'4" or 5'6". I had to duck. Yeah. It's the hallway.
Oh, you did go over.
Yeah, I went over it. Yeah, you can. You just go slow. But the floor is questionable up here, so tread lightly.
Oh, I'm just gonna stay
Yeah,
here.
it's not bad. Those beams are pretty strong, but
I'm not chancing stepping
Yeah.
on a nail. I'm not getting a tetanus.
well, watch where you step. Like, this was the kids' room, all the little stars on it, and a little storage cubby
Take
there.
some pictures while you're there.
Yeah.
It's the button beside your record.
Yeah, I can.
Do you see where it says camera while you're recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just tap the button while you're recording.
Mm.
It'll take a picture.
Yeah. Yeah. Holiday. I actually don't have that because it's linked to my gimbal right now, so I don't have that feature on my. These are the kids' rooms up here. Little closet in here. Floor's kind of. It's a cool shot there. Floor's kind of wonky there. I don't think I'll walk across that floor right there. That's a little questionable. Just a little curtain. Ooh.
Hi.
Yeah.
You're over top of the
Am I on the?
fireplace thing.
Yeah. It's creaking a little. I almost wasn't gonna do it, but I'm okay. I think it's just because the floor is actually lifting a bit there. Oh, there's the bathroom.
Right?
The bathroom's up here. It's like purpley. Yeah. No, there's a mirror there. I don't want to be in a shot, so I'll just show you like that, guys. So you don't have to look at my ugly mug. Yeah, very carefully. Strong, but yeah. I like those pictures. That's cool. Probably the lady of the house decorated that. Nice big bathroom. A little closet in it. Creaky. Yeah. It's a Sears vanity. Do we have any dates here? Expiry dates? Sorry guys, just give me a second. I'll put my light down. What we got here? Wash and curl. No dates on that one. Oh, as I drop stuff. Bio Advance Eye Care Complex. No date in that one either. Got in here. Close these ends. Not sure what we got here. Furnace off. Yeah. Fortunately, none of this stuff has any expiration dates on it, so. Still thinking 90s, maybe? 1990s this was abandoned. Just by the wrestling. I didn't really watch wrestling, but by those guys' names, I think that's around the 90s. Yeah, nice little shot of the bathroom. Yeah, this is really sketchy right here. Really nice and slow. Make sure I'm on the support beam. So you see there's the vent going down. Yeah, you can definitely see the difference between the original part of the house, that time and effort was taken to build it, as compared to the back part, which is just like an add-on, which is completely disintegrating. Yeah, looks like I tore this out. That's a huge bee's nest. I tore the wall out to get at it. Maybe try to remove it at one point. And yeah. Too bad. It would have been kind of fun to check that out, but she's pretty destroyed. Oh. Yeah, yeah, all the cobwebs, yeah.
Did you see the bird's nest they built?
Yeah, the little mud dauber, yeah. Yeah. It's kind of, it really shows, though, the difference of, like, something that was built.
This is semi-new or updated because there's a plug-in on the top of the wall.
Oh, yeah, it's been updated, that's for sure. They updated it, modernized it, but this is the original part of the house. I can tell that by looking at it. It's, this was the original part, and then the back part's an add-on, which you can tell how well they're built. It's literally disintegrating.
Because they have them, they're like every 4 feet where they're supposed to be, so
yeah, it's more updated. Been updated, yeah, for sure.
Because I know nowadays you have to keep your plug-ins have to be every 4 feet.
Yeah, they have to be up to code. Yeah. Yeah.
I know, because when I lived in Brockville and they updated my apartment, I had so many new plugins. I was so happy because I had so many things.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. It's the front side.
I hate having to plug something else in. So why?
It's kind of like, there's always Christmas lights. You notice that?
Yeah.
This one still has the Christmas lights across it. Yeah. There's always Christmas lights. Yeah. I guess when you put them up, sometimes you just leave them up. Yeah, so this would be the original part of the house. This back part would be an add-on because that's why it's so decayed.
He's probably having an A-day watching us try and walk.
The neighbor, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I just was falling backwards.
Oh, yeah, go slow. Pretty hard walking with the snow. Yeah, you can see the power's been pulled up, meters pulled right off.
You would have had to take your snowshoes off every time you went to go in a house.
Yeah, that's the kicker with wearing snowshoes to explore. Yeah, you'd have to pull them off to,
Really?
yeah.
Really want
This looks like it's been this here part. I think this is a separate house right here.
Yep.
It's got a mailbox on it, a power.
This is 27, that's 28.
Yeah. Yeah.
That one's really old school.
Yeah, that's very old. Well, yeah, that I'll see.
Looks
Might
like
be.
the Wild West,
Yeah.
if you look at it.
It looks like a little store.
Does it not?
Yeah. It looks like a little store. Could have been brought here from somewhere else, maybe. We'll check that out in a second. Well, you can go ahead. I'm gonna check the backside here just to see if I can get it on the ground level of this one. So they have like maybe a little dog house right there. Oh, there's another GT snow racer. Yeah, there's no one over here. Yeah, leaning up against the wall. Yeah, definitely, definitely from the 80s. Yeah. Ooh. Walking on top of something. Yeah, I can't really access it from the backside. Yeah. That's alright though, that back part's pretty decayed. I don't think we'd really be able to explore it anyways, it's destroyed completely. Yeah, this looks like a little old store, eh? This reminds me of, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'll come up to where you are. Yeah. Plug in right on the inside of it there. It's old. Yeah. Oh, maybe somebody was living in it. The back part looks like it might have been lived in. I don't know. Yeah, it's concrete. Yeah, I was just checking the board. Look at the little old TV there. First thing right off the bat.
Oh wow.
The old RCA. That is ancient. That's like early 60s. Yeah. Little trike. Yeah, I think somebody was living in this. It's got a breaker panel, so that's
Newer.
newish. Yeah, that's at least the 70s, 80s. Yeah. 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 The old snowblower. Oh, an old sled over there. Oh yeah. Some gas cans out. Looks like a lawnmower. I don't know what that is. Like a little cage, maybe for a chicken, maybe.
Those are big birds' nests.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of them up here. There's one there. Oh, the ones I can't see where they are. I'll come over maybe and check them out. Just trying to get. I'll look at everything here. Bunny's been in here. See bunny tracks. It's like an exhaust off a snowmobile. Speaker. Lots of tools. Yeah, that's an old wooden sled. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, those were really popular in the 80s, those little wooden sleds like that. Yeah. The gas can off the lawnmower. Oh, yeah.
Those are really big.
I think what happens is the birds build a nest and they keep getting reused, so every year they add another layer. That's why they get so big. And a nice shot of the layer. This is the other door right here. Oh yeah, it's the front of an old car right here. Not sure what it is. Looks like maybe an old Chrysler. This red boot, those were popular in the 90s, so I don't think that's Doc Merton. I think that's just a Timberland actually, so that's early 2000. That's a Timberland brand boot, so of course somebody could just threw it in here. Careful. Wow. I'm impressed you did that. Wow, this back part's really coming up and down, eh? Yeah. Really disintegrating. Yeah. Paint stuff. Restored all his paint stuff. So yeah, this might have just been the a workshop for the main house, I guess. There's an old grinder, it looks like. Yeah, an old grinder. Sharpener, yeah, grinder.
Well, you ain't getting back there.
All collapsed?
No, it's full of stuff.
Oh, is it? I'll have
Like
to come have a
full,
look.
way full. There's a
Yeah. These are very 80s, these chairs. Yeah.
We used to have ones like
Yeah.
that. Similar.
There's a kid's bike here underneath the
See,
snow
like, they
and
got a
ice.
whole like hood of a car.
Yeah, hood off the car. Well, I think that's the hood off the car that's just outside the door at the front end of the car. I think it's an old Chev or Chrysler.
Want me to hold that so you can call it?
Actually, since you're over there, do you want to be the videographer? You just grab where my hand is and you can point and shoot. It's on follow mode, so you just point and shoot. You're now the videographer for the channel. You've been upgraded.
Get some looks and some spaces.
Yeah, looks like some of the stuff might have been thrown in after the fact. Pile here.
It's an old chair. Very full.
Yeah, I can see from over here on the camera.
Lots and lots and lots of stuff. Oh, look, Trevor's on camera.
I'll have to edit
Look at
part
that.
of it.
Oh, Trevor's on camera.
You want a hand? There you go. I didn't realize there was a bunch of stuff underneath the table here, like parts, lawnmower parts and stuff. There's a Timmy's cup. Can you date the place by the Timmy's cup? You're the pro.
Okay.
TVs. You can see that old stereo record player tucked in there. More stuff in the work sheds than there is in the house. Yeah. Same with the other one we just did there. Like it.
Fishing tackle? Oh, no,
Yeah. Yeah, all tools. Bax TVs, a couple of Bax TVs and a stereo there. Yeah, some more old oil tank. Old snowmobile. Yeah, that'd be a chicken coop there. Yeah, that one's pretty. I don't think we'll be able to really look at that one. It's just pretty collapsed in. There's the outhouse. But this one over here, I think we might be able to explore. Actually, there's two. This little house and the one next to it. 4x4 in it. Here's a bit of this one. Lots of prickers. Now, we go this way or that way? Oh, I think this way because it's more open. Oop. Something plastic here. Wow. This one is just jam full of stuff. Yeah, this place is a hard place to kind of thinking maybe abandon, and then people just, whoever owned it maybe was just tossing stuff in it. Or maybe people rifling through it. I don't know, maybe you guys have an idea. I'm thinking maybe people were going through it and throwing everything around to see what was here. That is a very, very old radio. Oh. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's just a modern one that looks old. It looks old. I hard to tell. It's so dirty in here. Go upstairs. Their stairs look pretty strong, so we'll try that out. Stroller. A lot of furniture. It's very cold. We're exploring today, guys. It's like minus 12, 13. There's a bit of a wind chill, so not too bad, but she's chilly enough. I'm not minding it too much, but my wife is not very happy about it. Yeah. Yeah, there's a snowmobile trail not far from here. We're right on top of the snowmobile trail. Just be careful, there's like a cable there, kind of in the snow there. Right? There was like a cable there in the snow. Yeah. A stainless steel cable, we're just warning you. Yeah, this one's just full of stuff. Okay. Oh, wow. What? Wow, this is wild. It is like literally everything up here. Everything. I think this is the contents of the house. It literally looks like a house up here. Like everything from the house is up here. Just wait till I'm at the top. Oh. Yeah. That's nuts, eh? Yeah, unfortunately I don't think we'll be able to walk too far up here. I don't know. It does look sort of stable, but I don't want to chance it. It's kind of questionable. Yeah, like it's literally, I think this is everything from in that house. Like for some reason they brought it in here and threw it up here. Yeah.
It's a lot of chairs.
Yeah.
Oh, like a lot of chairs.
Yeah. Yeah, look at the amount of clothes right here. That's crazy. See a bunch of books all strapped together. The pile of clothes here is just unbelievable. I'm thinking this is the contents of the house. There's a bird's nest right in amongst the clothes over here. Little bird made the nest right in the clothes. Good spot. Be nice and comfortable. Wow, that's wild. Wasn't expecting this up here. Huh. Jeez. And there you are for perspective. Like, yeah, that's a big pile of chairs. Maybe they were like selling stuff, maybe antiquing, maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, I'd say they're antiques.
Yeah.
Because there's no way they had all those chairs in that little house.
No.
No way.
No. There's a trike, like a little kid's trike over there. It's too bad I can't walk over to it. The floor from underneath's not. I'll start, guys. I'll zoom. Yeah. I don't think it's very stable, so.
Like, this is all old wood stuff. These are all antique things.
Yeah. I think. Box of stuff there. I think these are a lot of the contents of the house.
You said that 4 times.
Yeah. Talking out loud.
I'm just pointing it out to your people that you said it 4 times.
Yeah, I know.
You're on repeat.
One more little building here to the side, I think, isn't there? To the right.
Get off. Walls will hold on. Choose to go this way.
That's a satellite dish right there. See, I'm thinking early, that 2001 count or newspaper might have been kind of spot on for a date. Yeah. There's a dog house right there buried in the snow.
Oh, dock. It sounded like you said dock.
Dock, I know, dog house.
Like a boathouse.
Yeah, no, it's a little dog house. Yeah. This one might be a little bit hard to get into. Trying to break the old tree. Holy. Oh, this was definitely a chicken coop or like a rabbit, where they kept rabbits. All the little pens. Another big pile of clothes. Oh, easy, easy.
I tripped. I can't help it.
Easy. Yeah.
This is fall.
Bicycles.
I just grabbed a hold of something. Old stroller.
Yeah. There's a sump pump hole right there, so. Old helmet. Yeah. Huh. And an old bicycle. I had a bicycle like that when I was a kid. That little trike. Yeah, CCM. Yeah, well, just go slow. Don't wipe out. Go easy. Nice and easy. There you go. Watch me wipe out now. back shot of the house there. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this one, and see you on the next one.